I'm all about side dishes that look super enticing to dig into before you even eat them. Just looking at them, you know that they're gonna be a great dish, and that is exactly what these maple pan-roasted carrots are. These carrots are perfectly sweetened and caramelized in the oven, and also with a touch of maple syrup. And then once they're done cooking, we're going to garnish them with some tahini-based dressing, as well as some pomegranates and lemon. It's the perfect flavor combination and color combination when you go to serve it up to your guests. I hope that you love this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to stick around for more. For this recipe, we first need to start by prepping 2 pounds of whole carrots. You want to wash them and then give them a peel to remove that outer skin, and then we're going to slice them in half lengthwise into about 1/2 inch thick matchsticks. Make sure for this project that you have a sharp chef's knife. I will link my favorite one that's very affordable in the description below if you're interested or need a new knife. And if you don't have time to prep all of these carrots, feel free to substitute for baby carrots. They might just need to cook a little bit longer. Now that the carrots are prepped, it's time to add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil along with 1.5 tablespoons of pure maple syrup into a bowl. Add the carrots in there, then give it a good mix. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil and place the carrots on the pan spread out. We don't want them too close, otherwise the carrots will steam instead of roast. And of course, don't forget to top with some salt and pepper for extra seasoning. Moving along, we're going to make our tahini dressing while the carrots are cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of whole milk Greek yogurt along with 1/2 cup of tahini. Tahini is a sesame-based paste, and it's so delicious if you've never had it before. Then we'll use our remaining 1/2 tablespoon of maple syrup along with 1/2 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and some water. You'll want to add just 1 tablespoon of water at a time until your sauce has thinned out to a consistency that you're happy with. I like mine to be a little bit loose so that way I can drizzle it on top of the carrots, but feel free to make it the perfect consistency for you. Now there is a lot of sauce that comes with this recipe, but I like to do it because I'm a sauce girl, and that way you have some extra sauce if people like it on the side. At this point, your carrots should be done roasting, so you can plate them on a serving platter and then garnish with a little bit of lemon zest and some pomegranate seeds. The pomegranate seeds add a nice texture and some beautiful color. Then drizzle your tahini sauce on top and serve. This is a great side dish that goes along with many different main courses. I hope that you love this recipe as much as I do. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.